Hi, looking for your next great hire? Join us in exploring Formalu's Employee Recruiter Effectiveness Form, a favorite among over 1,000 HR professionals. This video will walk you through creating your HR form, making the connection with top talent smooth and effective. Ready to enhance your hiring? So let's get started! To create our survey from the scratch, first we jump into the dashboard, then click blank Formalu and choose blank form. Here we can customize our survey, starting with naming the document, add a description, a logo, and a cover picture too. By clicking on Add Fields, we can choose a variety of options such as adding email fields, choosing a date, and so on. A drop-down improves user experience, offers a clean way for users to select from predefined options. Using a date field is essential to have accurate data about an event that happened or which is going to take place in the future. On the right side of your screen, you can see the field setting that you can customize each field as you like. A single choice field allows the user to choose accurately and unique answers. Answer options could be added by clicking on Add Option. Add a score field option to provide a clear numeric measure of certain attributes or performance, such as interviewer effectiveness. CSAT can help build trust and credibility with your audience. It allows that your audience express their satisfaction level with just a click, making it easy to provide a quick feedback. Feel free to change the icon as you wish. Adding a long text field allows the respondents to provide a comprehensive, in-depth responses, going beyond yes or no or rating scale answers. Customize your setting and add different options like receiving a code after submission or redirect to another website after answering the questions. Personalize the survey and choose the color scheme that aligns with your brand identity. Customize it or choose one of our default themes. Click the View button to preview the survey anytime you prefer. And never miss a beat with our email notification feature. The submitter can receive an email right when they click the Submit button, and you will receive a notification as well. You can also forward this email to any other department that you would like to. Thanks a lot for following us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy Formalu!